Time to open the shop. Right, let's clean the counter first. I'll spray it down. And I'll wipe it clean.
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza for a wedding.
Certainly. What would you like? One large pepperoni, delivered to the Grand Hall, on its way.
Let's get this pizza on the bike. Okay, I'll hold the rack. Perfect. All set.
We made it!
Thank you. Here's your payment.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We did it! Great teamwork.
Yes, the best delivery team.
Back to the shop, hero.